Welcome back. God bless you, dear students. So, before we started the next remaining part of the story, let's recapitulate what we have learned previously, that how Swami, a young boy, was enjoying his summer vacations by playing outside every afternoon, and how one day he was caught by his father, who ordered him to bring his books to his room and gave him a sum to solve it, and how Swami was not able to solve it. So let's see what happens the next. So I'm going to read the further paragraphs. 15 annas, of course, Swaminathan thought, but how could that it be its price, its just price? It was all very well for Rama to expect it in his avarice. Avarice means greed. But was it the right price? And then there was the obscure point about whether the mangoes were ripe or not. Obscure point means unclear issue. If they were ripe, 15 annas might not be an improbable price. Improbable means not likely to be true. If only he could get more light on this point. So, here in this paragraph, Swami's father again asked him about the right answer. That what is the right price for 10 mangoes? So Swami thought that 15 annas, of course, but he also thought that how can that be the fixed price for it? And also he thought might be Rama is a greedy person, and whether the mangoes were ripe or not. He doesn't know, and it was the unclear issue. And if the mangoes were ripe, then 15 annas might not be a true price for it. So, according to him, if a proper information will be available, then he will be able to find out the solution to the sum. Now, the next paragraph. How much does Rama want for his mangoes? 15 annas, replied Swaminathan without conviction. Without conviction means in an uncertain way. Very good. How many mangoes does Krishna want? 4. What is the price for 4? Father seemed to delight in torturing him. Torturing means to cause physical or mental pain to someone intentionally. How could he know? How could he know what that fool Krishna would pay? So here he answered in a very unclear way because what he answered, it was 15 annas. And he was not sure about the correct answer. And his father was asking questions one after another. So because of this, he thought that father is very happy, especially to make him as to say something. Okay, now the next one. Look here, boy, I have half a mind to thrash you. Thrash means move violently or in uncontrolled way. What have you in your head? 10 mangoes cost 15 annas. What is the price of one? Come on. His hand took Swaminathan's ear and gently twisted it. Okay. So here when he was not able to answer even for the price of one mango, then his father became little angry, and what he did, he took his hand to Swami's ear and just gently twisted. Okay, now the next paragraph. Swaminathan could not open his mouth because he could not decide whether the solution lay in the realm of addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. Realm means area. The longer he hesitated, the more violent the twist was becoming. Hesitated means to pause or delayed. In the end, when father was waiting with a scowl for an answer, he received only a squeal from his son. Scowl means in an angry way, and squeal means loud cry or noise. Okay, so now what happened? As Swaminathan was not knowing the area of addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division, where was the answer given. So he was not able to open his mouth. As more as he created a pause to answer, his father's twist to his ear became more violent, and in the end, when Swami's father was waiting in an angry way for the answer, then he only received a loud cry from his son. Now, next paragraph. I am not going to leave you till you tell me how much a single mango cost at 15 annas for 10. What was the matter with father? Swaminathan kept blinking. Where was the urgency to know its price? Anyway, if father wanted so badly to know instead of harassing him, let him go to the market and find it out. Okay, so here in this paragraph, blinking means to shut and open the eyes quickly. And urgency means when something is important and needs immediate action. And harassing means troubling. So now what happened? That Swami just kept blinking and was thinking that what is the matter with his father, and why he wants to know the cost of a single mango, and why it is so important for father to know the price of one mango. So then he was thinking why father is asking again and again the same question, and if it is so important for him to know, then why his father is troubling him instead of asking him so many times. And he just thought that let him go to the market to find out the price of a single mango. Okay, so let's see the further paragraph. The whole brood of Ramas and Krishnas, with their endless transactions with odd quantities of mangoes and fractions of money, were getting disgusting. Okay, here in these lines, brood means group and transaction means acts of buying and selling, and disgusting means feeling of something unpleasant. Father admitted defeat by declaring one mango costs 15 over 10 annas. Simplify it. Okay, so here the whole group of Ramas and Krishnas with their endless acts of buying and selling, the odd quantities of mangoes and fractions of money, were getting with the feeling of some unpleasantness for this boy Swami. Then father admitted his defeat by declaring that one mango costs 15 annas over 10 annas, and he gave him the slate to simplify it. Okay, now let's see the last paragraph. Here he was being led to the most hideous regions of arithmetic fractions. Hideous means very bad or unpleasant. Give me the slate, father, I will find it out. He worked and found at the end of 15 minutes. The price of one mango is 3 over 2 annas. He expected to be contradicted any moment. Contradicted means by saying opposite by someone. But father said, very good, simplify it further. It was plain sailing after that. Plain sailing means very easy. Swaminathan announced at the end of half an hour's agony, Krishna must pay 6 annas, and burst into tears. Agony means extreme suffering. Okay, so Swami was being led to the most unpleasant regions of arithmetic, difficult fractions, and it was just difficult for him to solve. So he took the slate, and after 15 minutes he find out the price of one mango, that is 3/2 annas. And he expected an opposite statement at any moment from his father, because his father was asking the same question, but now his father said very good. And then it became very easy for him to solve the sum. And after an extreme suffering of just half an hour, he announced that Krishna must pay 6 annas, and just started crying. So this is the extract from Swami and Friends by R.K. Narayan. Now here is the end of the story, and now question answers are going to be displayed. So please do it correctly. Now your homework is to learn and write the displayed pages, question answers, and also the word meanings. And now in the next video we will meet with the poem Television. So till then, enjoy and study well, and all the best.